right, everybody, I'm at ISE out in Barcelona, and look who I ran into.
Jesse Ambrose with Ashley Audio.
All right, so Jesse's going to take us on a quick walkthrough of all the cool things they're showing in Barcelona at ISE. Let's go have a look.
Hello, everybody. So yeah, we're here in Barcelona at ISE. One of the focuses of this show for Ashley is our latest matrix processors. We have 3 products in this lineup that all run our advanced AquaControl DSP software. There's a 4x8 unit, a 12x8, and a 16x16 called the AQZ32. These run our latest DSP suite. Runs in a browser, very intuitive, very easy to use. If you're curious to try out AquaControl, we have a demo version available as well called AquaControl Portal. You can find that at ashley.com. If we move over here to amplifiers, we make lots of amplifiers as well. We have our MA series, which is our latest multi-zone, multi-mode, highly efficient power amplifier. We also have our FX and our FXD series. We expanded this lineup last year, and it is anywhere from 60 watts by 2 up to 750 watts by 8, and also we have Dante models as well. We have highly efficient high power amplifiers for PA systems for installations, advanced DSP matrix processors, just about everything you need for many commercial audio installations. So if you're curious to find out more, you can learn more at ashley.com.